Hello, I'm Kevin Cullinan, Head of Communications at Cork Airport. Cork Airport officially opened on the 16th of October 1961, and for the past 60 years it's been connecting passengers from right across the south of Ireland with the rest of the world. But every 20 or 30 years, a major runway of this scale needs major reconstruction. And so it is with the main jet-capable runway here at Cork Airport. To learn more about the background to this major capital infrastructure project in which Cork Airport is investing over €40 million, let's listen to some of our experts.
I'm Niall MacCarthy, I'm the Managing Director of Cork Airport. I'm also the Vice Chair of the Tourism Industry Confederation in Ireland, and I'm on the board of Visit Cork, which is our local tourism development body. And finally, I'm the Chair of the Regional Airports Council in Europe, which is our industry body representing the voice of 400 of Europe's smaller airports. In 2006, we built a whole new terminal, beautiful terminal, new multi-storey car park, new central utilities building, new maintenance buildings, new roadways, but they were all built on an old runway. Our runway is now end of life, and we're rebuilding and investing in it now to extend the life of the whole infrastructure for another 20 years. It's a huge project for Cork Airport. We're investing 40 million in the next 2 years, a whole baggage screening project which is just finished, our runway reconstruction, construction of electrical substation and some smaller projects. But this is a real vote of confidence in our recovery and the recovery of Cork Airport so that we can contribute to tourism and business throughout the whole south of Ireland.
I'm Captain Seamus Cooke. I'm the Aer Lingus base captain in Cork Airport. Fortunate enough to be a carryman who's been based in Cork Airport for the last 10 years. It's a wonderful airport to fly in and out of. I would have first flown in here 20 years ago as a young co-pilot, and for the last 7 years I've been the base captain. The main runway in Cork is a fundamental piece of infrastructure for the southern region. Not only is this a critical investment, it is an investment in a more sustainable future. In addition to the runway reconstruction itself, the project encompasses future-proofing of the instrument landing system and also a significant upgrade in the lighting system for the runway from a more traditional halogen to a more sustainable LED system. Aer Lingus is committed to sustainable initiatives and working collaboratively with Cork Airport to be the green airline in a greener Cork Airport.
My name is Brian Culloty. I'm the Head of Airside Infrastructure and Resident Engineer at Cork Airport. I've been working in the airport since 1998, and my first project was the Runway Overlay project, which was completed in 1999. So the Airport Authority have used an accelerated government procurement process to appoint a contractor to get the works underway on the runway rehabilitation project of 1634. Phase 2 of the works will take place between the 13th of September and the 22nd of November, and will include a full rehabilitation of the runway pavement, an upgrade of all of our manhole and ducting systems that supply our airfield ground lighting. Two of the key elements for us on the project are achieving energy efficiency and minimising waste production. There was a number of options of how we could do it. We could do it at night, or alternatively we could look at a full closure. Collectively, we agreed that the full closure was the best option for us to get the job done as quickly as possible, minimising our impact on airport operations, particularly into 2022, where we see a big uptake in the aviation industry again.
So hopefully by now you have a better understanding why Cork Airport is embarking on this major construction project, the largest capital infrastructure project to be seen at Cork Airport since the building of the new terminal building in 2005 and 2006. The future is bright for Cork Airport, and rest assured its role as a vital economic enabler for the south of Ireland will be maintained and enriched as a result of this investment. Cork Airport, love taking off.